Introduction. Creating an email link in HTML5 is crucial for website development. It allows website visitors to send an email directly from a web page. This guide covers the creation process, common pitfalls, and tips for proficiency in HTML5. Creating a basic HTML email link. Email link is created using the anchor tag and the mail-to attribute. Clicking on the link opens the user's default email client with a drafted email to the specified address. Adding a subject line. Add a subject line to the email by using subject equals after the email address. The email client drafts an email with the specified subject line. Adding body text. Include body text by adding an body after the subject line. The email client drafts an email with the specified subject line and body text. Common error-prone cases and how to avoid them. Incorrect syntax. Ensure correct syntax to avoid link malfunctions. Unencoded special characters. Special characters should be URL encoded. For example, spaces can be encoded as sent20. Multiple recipients. Separate multiple recipient email addresses with a comma. Test across different email clients. Tips and tricks. Test your email links. Ensure links work on different devices and email clients. Link text should indicate that it's an email link for better user experience. Use HTML entities. Use HTML entities for special characters in the subject line or email body. For example, use N for an ampersand. Conclusion. Creating an HTML email link in HTML5 is straightforward with understanding of the syntax and potential pitfalls. Dynamic, user-friendly email links enhance websites' functionality and user experience.